Well, good evening. It's Megan, and I'm going to go through my website that I made through our blog that we already had made through another assignment that we've done this past semester. So as you see, I'm on the home page on the screen right now, and up here it has my name, or my year, and Peter University, obviously. And then up here I kind of have just 4 different tabs that have folders within them. So in the home, I actually have the contact information for me, because I think it's very important that students have that access for email or cell phone number, because it's just a way of them to be able to contact you in a efficient, effective way. Also, I have a parent information, just because in today's society, it's very important that the parents feel like they're connected within the child's classroom performance or outside performance. And with being an FFA advisor slash agriculture teacher, I think it's important that the parent can come in here, put their name, email, phone number, and kind of just type up a little message for me and submit it. And it's all right here in the website for me to kind of go through and kind of see what the parents have advice or upcoming events, questions, and just kind of all that good stuff. Um, like I previously talked about the FFA side of things of being an agriculture education teacher. Here I put an FFA program tab, and here is the FFA application to be in the chapter. So here we have different tabs. These will go to the home page. This will go to the contact page. This actually will go and view the national FFA website, just so you can learn more about it and kind of see what it has to offer. And then here, when you select grade, it just takes you to a Word document that I have created. As a teacher, I think it would be beneficial for you to kind of go in and put in your name about what grade you're in. And then download and try me are just 2 different for SAEs and career development leadership workshops as well. So, and then you'll just go down here and submit when you're done. But anyways, over here I have animal management, and under this tab I have announcement, homework, and helpful education. So announcement, obviously, when I'm in the classroom setting, I'll just have like upcoming dates for the FFA side, but also like if in the classroom we have a lecture that we're going to have an upcoming exam or quiz for, just so the kids can come here and see what's coming up. But also I can put past due dates, just kind of allow them to, well, I guess kind of allow me to put a folder here once they are past due, and they can upload their assignments here, so I know what assignments or what student has a late deduction on their assignment. So also here's the homework page. So as you can see, I've got some contact us, and if any questions, that just takes you back to the contact page. Homework instructions take you to a Word document that I created. Assignments takes you to this page that has a little video that you can watch to kind of help with the week lecture materials. So each week I would go in and kind of put a new video up so you can have that. And then once I'm done with that video, I'd go and put it on the helpful and education material. So as you can see, there's a little video for you to, or the students, be able to watch. And then for helpful educational purposes, I have another video up here for them to watch. And then here, this button will just take them to another video about livestock handling. This actually, when you hit, will take you to the Pork Checkoff website to kind of read articles and kind of do a little self-learning and pick apart what's important and what's educational throughout the article. Then in the more is the course syllabus. So also find more will just take you to a Word document that I made again to the course objectives for the semester. So I think that's important that students are able to see what is going on throughout the semester and what they can prepare for and what they can look forward to also. So that's that, and once the course gets going, I'd have a new page for the course grade, so the student knows that they have access to their grade and knows where they stand at all times. And then obviously I have about me. We had to have this for prior assignments, and it just talks about me and kind of allows students to get to know you a little better. And then Passion for Agriculture tab is just some of the case studies that we've done so far in this class. So that is a little bit about my website and how I've made my blog a helpful tool within the classroom setting. So thank you.